Here's a CN Blue Devil. It's rolling out with a train of rail cars. Now these cars are for a rail train for maintenance of way purposes. I just got here and he's leaving. I'll have to live with the fence, but this is an interesting train. These racks are empty, but normally the rails go underneath that catway, that catwalk. I was kind of just sitting here, and I just walked up here. These cars look very much short. And the rail actually bends with the track. Flexes as the train goes around the curves. And this is why the cars themselves are very short. So I'm standing here in a drizzle, but it's worth it to see this kind of train. You don't see it very often. And there it goes. So, thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.